Hello everybody, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you how to graph tangent advanced. So let's jump right in. Alright, so how do we graph y equals negative 3 times the tangent of 1/6 times x plus 3 pi plus 2? Well, first of all, let's just find the period. The period is pi divided by b. And b is being multiplied by the parentheses. 1/6 is being multiplied by the parentheses. So we can conclude that our period equals pi divided by 1/6, which equals pi times 6, which equals 6 pi. So our period is 6 pi. Alright, so I've written some of our tick marks. And what's our phase shift? Well, our phase shift is plus 3 pi. So we're going to take this distance and replicate it on the other side. So you can imagine that we're moving our y-axis to the left. But remember, we're not actually doing this. So I'm just going to draw in an imaginary y-axis, so I'll just put it in quotation marks. Alright, now what's our vertical shift? Well, our vertical shift is plus 2. So we're going to go up 2, and I can draw an imaginary x-axis up there. And this is our starting point, I guess you could say. Now we have an amplitude of negative 3. The negative part is going to flip the graph like this. And the 3 part is just like going to change the way it is. So say an amplitude of 1/2 might look like this, versus an amplitude of 3 will look something like this. So it's going to look like that. So you can sort of see the difference. But before we do that, I want to point out that this function, y equals tangent of theta, period is pi. And what I want to point out mainly about it is that the asymptotes are on the outermost right side and the outermost left side, and they're split evenly between. Because you see, here you go out pi over 2, here you go out negative pi over 2, so they're split evenly. So we can do the same thing on our graph. So right on the y-axis, we can add an asymptote, and right at 4 pi, negative 4 pi I mean, we can add an asymptote. Alright, now it's time for the 3 part. So normally we'd say, oh, there's 3 pi over 2. And then we say this is 1 point. No, we're not going to do that this time. Because the amplitude is 3, we're going to go 1, 2, 3. We're going to go down here, and we can say here's one spot. Then we have this spot right here at negative 3 pi and 2. That's still the imaginary origin. And then we have negative 7 pi over 2. We're going to go up to 1, 2, 3, to 5 up here. And our graph is going to look like this. And here's our graph. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. If you disliked this video, please share it with somebody else because they might find it helpful. But for now, goodbye.